All right, today we have the WORKPRO 20 volt brad nailer. This is an 18 gauge nailer. This does nails. It also does staples. It comes with nails and it comes with staples. You have a battery, which is included. You can actually charge other devices with this battery, but the way you get power into it is you use a USB-C cable that it comes with. You can use any USB-C cable. This goes right on here like this. First thing I noticed, and I really appreciate, is actually this belt hook. So if you're up on a ladder, you know, maybe doing crown molding or something like that, you can hang this on your pants, okay? This does between 3/4 and 2-inch nails, okay? The way you load it up is you hit the button here, just like most nail guns, and this slides open, okay? It does come with, I believe it's 1,000 nails and 1,000 staples. So these are the nails it came with. These are a little less than, I'm not 100% sure what they are because I did test it with 2-inch nails. These are probably maybe 1.5-inch nails, okay? And what I've been doing is shooting nails in this guy right here. This is basically a two 2x6s. So I was shooting nails through it. Oh, what did I do wrong? Oh, I know what I did wrong. It's this setting here. So it has a single pull, so watch. Boom. Or it's got like kind of a continuous. I think you would use a continuous more so on staples, you know, maybe if you're a staple in upholstery. But the way the continuous works is you hold it down. Pretty neat. Pretty neat feature, okay? Most likely you're going to be using it on this one though. Okay, so if we do that, you have the button here, you have your LED. This is how you control the depth. I have it all the way up, want it as deep as possible. I'll drive some nails in here so you can see. And then maybe I'll put it on continuous again. Now I'll hold it and there you go. That's a lot of nails that I've driven. All in all, feels good. It's definitely a nice thing to have. It comes with its own carrying case right here. Definitely something you want to keep in a carrying case. And all in all, pretty happy with it. Nice rubber here, so you know if it falls, it lands on rubber. Yeah, good. Oh, put it back to normal. Right? If you want to put staples in here, you basically load them in the same way. So pretty neat. There it is. This is the WORKPRO 18 gauge nailer. Cool.